Okay, so I'd say it starts from the very beginning. You find that most people actually get to experience art or actually take part in it after high school.
Yeah.
And the thing is, when you join at that point, you're fresh from high school and you know the very bare minimum. And you get to this industry and people are telling you, I'm giving you exposure. I'm giving you exposure, And you're there, you're thinking, okay, people will actually know me and all of that. And so you're growing into the art itself, in the industry itself, thinking, okay, I need exposure. Okay, it's okay if I'm given this much. It's okay if I do things in this manner. Because when you have no information, then you get to do things the way you're told or how you found things going on. So I think the first bit that we need is the information. We need to actually tell, artists need the information that things need to go towards this direction. Because there's people who've had the privilege to experience this part where you're being told, oh, I'm giving you exposure, or I'll give you 2,000, and they've also gotten to experience the other side where things are professional, because you can't say that there's the entire lack of professionalism. There is, in some production houses and in some places where you'd find that it's really practiced, but then there's the majority where you pick artists and you're telling them, I'm giving you exposure, or I'm giving you 2,000, or you know what, I will pay for your fare and I'll give you food, and you'll get exposure. So you're there, you're thinking, all right, okay, this is fine. But I think what is needed the most is artists to actually understand what professionalism is. Am I getting into this with a contract, or am I getting there being told, all right, you will be given, you won't have to buy your own costumes, and I'll give you food and I'll give you lunch, and you know what, if the show sells, then you'll have some money. But you see, the problem would be that people do not have the information. They don't know who can lead me towards knowing how professional or how things need to be done. Yeah, and I think that's very, very, very important. And even if there's any laws in place in anything, how does this information get to the people? How does this information get to the, and especially when they're starting, because when someone is starting, they're very naive. And they'll just take whatever they're given.
All they have is talent.
Yes, and all they have is talent. And they'll grow into it thinking this is okay and this is how it needs to be.